Most people spend their lives settling for mediocre mornings and frustrating household chores. Today, we are changing that by revealing the 5 high-performance tools that streamline your routine and elevate your personal style. These are the game changers you didn't know you were missing. Let's start. Number 1. Natural Gemstone Bracelet for Men. Finding a meaningful gift for the men in your life is notoriously difficult, often resulting in generic gadgets that end up in a drawer. Men struggle to find accessories that balance masculine strength with a personal touch. This natural gemstone bracelet solves that by combining timeless style with symbolic meaning. It is a daily reminder of love and resilience that fits any wardrobe. It gives him the confidence of carrying a silent token of support wherever he goes. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 2. TubShroom Ultra Revolutionary Bath Tub Drain Protector. Clogged drains are a disgusting and expensive recurring nightmare for every homeowner. Without a proper solution, you are stuck using harsh chemicals or paying hundreds for a plumber just to clear out hair. The TubShroom Ultra solves this by catching every single hair out of sight wrapped around its internal cylinder. It keeps your pipes clear without the mess or the stress. It is the relief of never having to touch a slimy drain clog ever again. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 3. Ninja DualBrew Pro Specialty 12-Cup Coffee System. Settling for one type of coffee means you are either sacrificing quality for convenience or vice versa. Most people struggle with cluttered countertops holding multiple machines just to get a single serve and a full carafe. The Ninja DualBrew Pro combines both worlds, delivering everything from classic drip to specialty brews and iced coffee. It gives you coffeehouse quality without leaving your kitchen. It is the luxury of having your perfect cup exactly how you want it, every single morning. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 4. ARMSN 12-Cup Programmable Dual Coffee Maker. Morning routines are often a race against the clock, and waiting for a slow machine is a frustration you don't need. People struggle to find a reliable programmable machine that handles both pods and grounds without breaking the bank. The ARMSN Dual Coffee Maker solves this with a fast brew 1000-watt system and a 24-hour delay start. You wake up to the smell of fresh coffee, ready the second you are. It's the peace of mind of a perfectly timed morning. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 5. Ninja Blendboss Personal Blender. Eating healthy on the go usually means settling for lukewarm shakes or clumpy smoothies. Most personal blenders lack the power to crush ice, leaving you with a disappointing drink after a workout. The Ninja Blendboss changes the game with Auto IQ technology that pulses and blends for you. Its 26-ounce travel tumbler and leak-proof lid mean your nutrition stays with you, mess-free and perfectly smooth. It's the ultimate feeling of peak performance and health, simplified into one button. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. All product links are in the description below. Check it now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check the description for all product links.